Okay, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Oontz 3 Bluetooth speaker. It's also kind of hard to film because I have one hand. I'm doing this with one hand. I was playing music on it. But yeah. Okay, we're in pairing mode. Alright, we are going to pair this up. Yep, paired. We're gonna play some music now. So, give me real quick. Alright, maximum volume. Alright, we gotta change this up to our phones. Alright, this speaker is a major go, man. For 20 something bucks, man, on Amazon.com, that's a major go. You can't get any better than that. You can't. So, check them out. Oontz Angel. And, oh, I almost forgot. The charging slot. That's going to be a micro USB charging port. Your aux port. Yeah, that's Oontz 3. So check them out on Amazon.com. They originally go for $100 with tax, but you know they got cheap. So check them out. So follow me on Google Plus. Like, share, subscribe, comment. And that's the end of the video. So peace. But one thing I almost forgot though. Comparing this length to mine is crazy. But yeah. But Also figuring out how small it is, how it could fit in the palm of your hand. That's crazy. But yeah, check them out. Oontz.com. No, not Oontz.com. Amazon.com, I mean. Yeah, check them out. Alright, that's it. Peace.